entered in the drawing.
Tell me about it, Tori.
Alright, don't fall on Ava.
Okay, well, nobody's told me yet what's happened, but okay.
We called it, we won, we got some car, that's awesome, and we won.
Called who?
KSBJ, and Liz answered.
And we're in the drawing for what?
Disney!
Okay, and they're about to
Chill out.
play it on KSBJ. They're just editing it right now. Okay, shh. Stop it.
Turning it up.
Oh,
But it's too loud.
it's taking too long to edit.